Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to see something really exciting. We are going to rebuild our old website using AI. So let's get into the video. So this website was originally built using AI tools and watching some YouTube tutorials. But now I want to integrate more features. I want to add more styling into it. So this is how the website looks right now. So showroom and the location, map, Google map, the facilities, customer review and book now button. 1 year ago I didn't know anything about programming and anything about developing a website, but after some learning, after watching some YouTube tutorials like HTML, CSS, JavaScript, I don't know JavaScript till now, but still I was able to do this watching some YouTube tutorials. As you can see, this is the home page. This is about us page. Apply for dealership, location will be provided, contact us. All these details will be sent to my email address. Now page. So in this page, I never built it myself. This page is completely done by ChatGPT 1 year ago. If I click one of the vehicle image just pops up and it automatically changes to 3 or 4 images. This as well. If I click another image, this, and if I click book now, it will automatically select the name of the vehicle. I need to enter my name, phone number, location, and if I press book, it will automatically book and a email will be sent to my address. That was done in PHP. I looked at in some YouTube tutorials, and today we are gonna redo this complete website using AI. In this video I won't be able to complete the whole project, but I will show you how I'm doing it right now. This will be really helpful for you. Before we start, in the board I will go to the ChatGPT and ask it to give me a detailed prompt. In the meantime, let's go here and you can see in the settings window the token limit per day is 150,000 tokens and per month is 1 million. So if you try this within 6 to 7 days, you will be exhausting your token limit. So we are gonna overcome this issue. Let me show you how. So this is the detailed prompt. So it's still generating the prompt. This is the prompt which we need. So I want to build a modern responsive website. So let's copy this, paste and enter. Yeah, it started generating. So you can see the application. So there is a secret technique which I use to continue building the project in a single day or a single month without paying for subscription, without paying for anything. I again use ChatGPT to build a tool to overcome that issue. So let me show you. So if you're trying to understand the code, you can see it first installs every dependencies and creates the files. These are the main files which we need actually. The other files are automatically generated. And next the npm run dev. So npm usually works when you installed Node.js into your computer. We need to know that as well. If you find any error in between or anything, just go back to ChatGPT and ask it how to fix it or what the issue is about. If you keep on getting the same issue, there might be an issue with the ChatGPT as it is not been updated to the latest context. It might have changed recently. So you need to browse that in the Google and try to read more files and you will be able to know what the issue is. You can rectify it as soon as possible. So let's see the tokens. I already used 32,700 tokens in a single prompt. So let's create a folder for Sri Chakra Electric Motors website. We'll be downloading the file here and pasting it. It's almost done. Oh, we got an error. So let's fix it. Okay, the website is done. Electric vehicle mobility, for vehicles, homepage, explore this. Okay, of course it doesn't have any images, but it is trying to get some images. Contact form. So this is the basic page. Let's begin. Oh, so yeah, I got few errors twice actually. So images is not visible. So image is not visible in the home page. Okay, error is not showing. So image will be loaded soon. Within few minutes, I have exhausted all of my tokens. So yeah, all of my tokens for a single day. So I can do this few more days. After I exhausted this, I need to wait one more month and restart it on the 1st of the next month. So that's a big headache. We are not going to do that. there is a way to overcome that issue. So now what we are going to do is you need to download this. Let's save in the project file which we tried to the created, and let's go here, extract all. So this is the project. So what we are going to do is we are going to get into this and put cmd. So terminal is open, and then code, we are going to open this in VS Code. So, okay, so let's say I just trust this for today. So welcome page is over. So this is the main code, index.html. So source code, all the source codes files are here. So as you can see here, okay. Now let's open the terminal. Okay, I have some, cannot find module React. Okay, so let's go to the terminal. You are having this issue because you haven't installed any dependency yet. Let's go here, and if you notice here, npm install. So copy this, and inside the terminal, inside the project file, you can just paste npm install. So it will install all the, okay, npm is not recognized. So I didn't install Node.js in this computer, I think. So we will install Node.js. Node.js is finished. So let's redo this. Is it working? Yeah. So I had to close it and reopen it again to install all the dependencies. So it is installing all the dependencies, which is, I think it is here, package.json. So it is installing all the dependencies. So we are just checking whether this is running in our computer. So after checking, after we are sure it is running, we'll be asking ChatGPT. Let's go to the new file. We'll be asking ChatGPT so it is using Tinker. So node modules and React, log Python, and next it is automatically generated. So it will be avoiding those files, but the main files are .js, .jsx, ts, tsx, json, css files, everything. So okay, it is giving us instruction on how to install it. Let's get back to this. In the project, we will create a new folder, combine files into txt. Let's install npm again, as it needed some update. Meanwhile, let's work on this. So we need to pip install this. Okay, it is almost done. So we can run the code now. Run dev, yeah. So let's check whether it is running or not. We'll copy this, open a new command window, and paste it here. Awesome. So it works in our VS Code in our local computer. So as you can see here, so it is working fine. Vehicles, images, there is no error, so image will be loading as well. We will get back here. So let's close this, Control C. So the project is closed. So this main file, so this is installed in the main.py. We'll be pasting this. Okay, we'll be pasting this code. So save, control S, save. So to run this, python space main.py. So yeah, this one opened. So let's choose the folder. So if you remember, we have pasted website file here, project. Yeah, so we will select this folder and folder select. So the code has been ready, the combined code. All the main files are here. So let's hide this. Check here. In this project, there should be the file combined code. So this is the text file combined code. So if you open this, okay, if you open this, you can see this is the file location, and in this file we have this code. So this is a long prompt. So we will copy all, copy, and go to, we will be pasting it. So hopefully it didn't exhaust our prompt. So it is loading. So this is the image links. So it is generating the code hero home.tsx. So you can find home.tsx. Oh, sorry, we don't need this right now. And yeah, combine code hero home. Where is home page? Home.tsx. So it is updating this file. So see, home.tsx. So let's copy this, copy content, and we will be control alt delete, control V paste, control S save, and let's run that code again. Copy, so will it change? Yeah, it does. So see how easy it can be. So yeah, so with this, with the help of this technique or this trick, you can do multiple things, can build multiple apps even in a single day. If you have crossed the limit in the Claude, you can change it to ChatGPT and use the same trick again. And let me show you once more. Combine.txt file, this file, main.file. Okay, you can just cmd command prompt and python main.py. This is the name of the file. So if you just enter, this one opens, choose, and this is the project file, right? This is the same project. Select this folder. So it's a success, but it's not loading properly right now. Okay, so it is a success. Oh yeah, success combining these files. So if you, oh, two files are open. So if you check the code, again, you can see the changes which we just made in the hero section. This is vehicle.ts, hero home, sorry, home.tsx. See, multiple images in the hero section. So this has been updated. You can Again, copy this and paste it in the ChatGPT or Claude and work on your project. So this is the simplest technique I have. Initially it might take a bit of while to set this up. Once you are done, you are good to go. Thank you for watching.